and a tutorial on how to make a face mask. I hope you learn a lot from this, and I hope you do enjoy it.
So this is a square-like box, but not really a square per se, because on the length side you have 6 inches, while the width is 5.5 inches. So to get this, I just came down at the top here by 2.5 inches, then from the bottom came up by 1.5 inches. Then on the breadth side, the width side rather, come in by 1.25, and on the other side come down by 2 inches and go up by 1 inches. So I'm going to connect all my dots using a curve ruler. For here I have a flexible ruler, so getting all my curves, connecting them. If you don't have this kind of ruler, you can work with your hand by using a broken line. Just try as much as possible to blend the curves, just as I'm doing. So you blend this edge, you don't want it too sharp. Then here to connect this particular line to this and blend it here. When this comes here, yeah, it's not giving me the real curve that I need, so just curve it a little. Yeah. So that's our pattern for a fixed mask for an adult. So, but for the children, this particular tutorial I'm making for the children, but this is an adult pattern face mask. So I'm good to cut this out. But for the children, all you just need, on your width side, you go have a square of 4.5 by 5 inches for the children. That should be okay for them. So I cut this pattern out. Bearing in mind that your sewing allowance is together in it. Then just as when I'm done cutting this, I'll place this on my fabric. For this particular tutorial, I'm going to be making use of a senator fabric. Like here, I've cut out an interfacing. This is popularly called air stay, and this is senator's fabric. You can make use of Ankara, but for this is the children nose face mask. This is for children, but this is the pattern for adults. So like I said, go on your square in your pattern 4.5 by 5 inches. That's okay for children. Like I said, this is the pattern for the children, while this is for the adults. So you place this on your fabric and cut out 2 pieces of this, the right side facing each other, then your interfacing. That's if you choose to use, or if you like, you can make use of a lining, a very soft material you do. So you cut the 2 pieces as well. So I'll take this to my machine and I'll stitch from here, stitch it down to come right here by 1/4 inch. I'll do the same for here. Note that your right side must be facing your right side, and for your interfacing, where you have the gummy part, will be outside, facing will be to your, you can feel it at the palm. Then you can go ahead and reduce it a little, just to remove the bulge. Don't want it to be too bulky. And do the same for your interfacing as well. And reduce it a little too. When you are done with that, just open it this way. This means for this it's going to give you room so that you'll be able to breathe well. You know, this is a cotton material, so you must have enough room in order for you to be able to breathe comfortably. Then turn it right side facing right side. Then stitch it from the edge, from this edge down to the other edge. Then do the same to the lower part. So I'm done with that. Place a snip all around, but don't cut into your stitches. Snip it neatly. Do the same on the other side. And for a child, the elastic, then you bring it inside out, turn it inside out. Okay. Your face mark is forming already. There is the right side, while this is the wrong side. Then for the elastic, for a child, 6 to 5.5 inches should be enough. So let me make use of 6. Cut 2 pieces of it. So you are going to be making use of 2. You fold the 2 edges together just to conceal it. This is the lower part, this is the upper part. On the upper part, come in a little by like 1/4 of an inch. Then at the lower part, take it to the extreme edge. Then you stitch it. And do the same for the other side. And your face mask is ready. Final look of the face masks, the one we made. So they come in different sizes, color. So here is the Ankara fabric. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. So have a nice day.